Recreational and professional players alike understand the importance of strapping up the best basketball ankle braces before they ball. The reason is simply to avoid injury or prevent further damage to the ankle. While on the court, indoor or outdoor, you're only a quick slip away from twisting or rolling an ankle. Checking out these basketball ankle braces reviews and finding the right fit for you is an investment in your longevity as a player for this season and years ahead. And now for the PlayInBasketball.com reviews of the 9 best basketball ankle braces plus 1 to avoid. Coming in at number 1. Zamst A2DX Ankle Brace. This Zamst ankle brace is the absolute top of the line. Don't believe me? Well, all you have to do is to look at one of the greatest basketball players today and see that he's wearing it. That's right. This extra protected ankle brace is worn by Steph Curry to give him all the confidence he needs to play the game, and it'll do the same for you. Though this break is bulkier than normal, the comfortability is still there, and there is no worry about the brace being annoying while playing basketball, while also providing you with the most protection. It is pricier than most of the braces on this list, but the quality is simply farther than any other brace. For the comfort, protection, and quality, there is no better than this Zamst ankle brace. Coming in at number 2, CopperJoint Compression Ankle Sleeve Plantar Fasciitis Sock. Most of these products on this list will be actually ankle braces, but ankle sleeves are useful as well. And this CopperJoint ankle sleeve is the best sleeve out there. The sleeve helps improve blood circulation and reduces muscle fatigue, as well as allowing a faster muscle recovery from ankle injuries. The fabric is also breathable, so it will keep your feet dry as you wear it. It will not give the same amount of protection compared to an ankle brace, but if you are looking for something lightweight but still give you ankle support, there is no better product than this CopperJoint sleeve. Coming in at number 3, McDavid 195 Ankle Brace with Stabilizer Straps. This will not be the only time that a McDavid product will be on this list. An interesting stat that may make you more comfortable buying this brace is that athletes participating in an independent study at a major research university had 3 times fewer injuries when wearing the 195 ankle brace. This brace is much more of a normal, standard brace that has quite a bit of features to it. It has a compression, comfort top strap, a ventilated tongue breathes with you, padded lining, and reinforced closures, and is fully adjustable without having to take off your shoes. It's also extremely lightweight, so the uncomfortable while playing basketball or annoyance is not there. Looking to learn more about the best basketball ankle braces in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, ASO Ankle Stabilizer. The ASO Ankle Stabilizer is one of the most popular ankle braces, and you can find one of these at most places that would sell these products. It is also one of the best out there. This ankle brace has a unique combination of comfort, support, and durability. The ballistic nylon boot provides tremendous strength and durability. They give an amount of compression that will keep your muscles strong. If you're looking for a standard ankle brace that isn't too bulky but also gives more protection than an ankle sleeve that is a top quality brace, then this ASO ankle brace is the one for you. Coming in at number 5, McDavid Neoprene 431 Ankle Sleeve. In terms of ankle sleeves, this McDavid 431 ankle sleeve is one of the best ones to purchase. If you are looking for some type of protection for minor injuries, such as tendonitis, then this is a perfect sleeve for you. The sleeve is very lightweight. Its breathable neoprene knitted elastic construction allows for players to have a comfortability that most braces cannot provide. This is also one of the more affordable sleeves on the market, and the McDavid brand is absolutely one of the most recognized and one of the best quality brands of sports protection there is, if not the most. Coming in at number 6, McDavid 199 Lace-Up Ankle Brace with Support Stays. This is one of the top-selling ankle braces. These braces is used by various athletes and buyers alike because of how it prevents common injuries like sprained ankles. With the lightweight feel and the highly breathable 2-layer polyester vinyl mesh gives a great amount of comfortability that cannot be matched. Another great feature of the brace is the spring steel medical grade stays for solid and reliable support. And if the boot or shoe type design may be bigger than what most want, but with the amount of support the McDavid brace gives, it's well worth the money. Coming in at number 7, McDavid 511 Compression Ankle Support. The McDavid 511 is a very basic ankle sleeve made of breathable, non-neoprene knitted elastic. This is a great recovery ankle brace from injuries such as a severe ankle sprain or even something more severe such as a broken ankle. This ankle support gives the basic necessities at a very reasonable price. If you have experienced an injury and you are looking for an affordable ankle brace, take this one under consideration when buying. A lower level support brace, this brace can use some improvements in regards to protection, but it provides more than a sleeve, but less than a thick brace that are given by some other McDavid items. Coming in at number 8, Copper Compression Gear Premium Fit Recovery Ankle Sleeve. The copper compression sleeves enhance circulation and oxygenation of the blood, thereby increasing muscle performance. Copper nylon in our compression sleeves accelerates recovery by stimulating oxygen delivery and promoting better blood flow to speed up recovery of injured muscles, joints, tendonitis, and arthritis. The sleeves are comfortable enough to be worn all day while still providing great support and a nice compression to speed up recovery, inflammation, and soreness of your muscles, joints, and tendons. This is one of the best ankle sleeves out there, so if an injury isn't too severe and you want an affordable sleeve, this product is for you. Coming in at number 9, Bracoo Breathable Neoprene Ankle Support. A lesser-known brand, the Bracoo ankle brace is a great alternative for someone who is looking for a cheaper brace that doesn't lack in quality. It has a light and thin design with a heel cutout and a secure crisscross closure. The model helps prevent injuries when playing the game and has enough breathability that sweat won't come in and become an annoyance. An open heel design enables broad a range of motion while bracing the plantar flexion, tail crural joint, and Achilles tendon. Ideal for injury prevention while playing basketball. This product has been very useful for patients that are recovering from surgery. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite basketball ankle braces. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the PlayinBasketball.com basketball ankle braces to avoid. Active Ankle 329 Ankle Brace by Cramer. When comparing ankle braces with comfort and price, this ankle brace doesn't give customers enough to make it desirable. At around the same price of a maximum protection ankle brace, but only providing you minimal support, this ankle brace falls short of what it is worth. Though this brace could be effective for some other sports, it doesn't have much use for a basketball brace. The Cramer brand is not as top quality as McDavid, Zamst, etc., and they can have some hit and misses. It has been said to be very tight for the size it says, and with what you can find elsewhere, it's just not worth it. Quite frankly, this brace just comes up short. And now for the PlayinBasketball.com final thoughts on buying the best basketball ankle braces. In conclusion, there are few quality brands of ankle braces to consider when looking for the right ankle braces. Make sure that you take into consideration that the fit, price, and support, because it is vitally important to get the right ankle brace. Buying the correct ankle brace can help you recover from injuries and help prevent other injuries from occurring. Buying the wrong ankle brace can cost you money and give you the confidence to feel like your ankle is fine with it and can give you another injury that could be more severe. Buying the one on the list above will give you the best chance of getting the highest quality of ankle support. Looking to learn more about the best basketball ankle braces in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite basketball ankle brace. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates.